Hey guys, this is Jonathan, and this is my presentation on electricity. So electricity starts with the electron, which makes up part of an atom. So when we think about electricity, it really is the movement of electrons or protons. And what it looks like is those static shocks that we get when electrons or protons and they jump from one object to another. On the left is an extreme example of the previous slide, and on the right is in nature during a volcanic eruption. So electricity flows from negative to positive, and this goes for electromagnetism and batteries. And in batteries, when they're hooked up to a circuit, electrons flow from negative to positive, giving whatever device energy, such as cameras, computers, cell phones, etc. On the right is an example of multiple types of electricity. On the bottom of the cloud or anywhere in the cloud, charges separate from each other, and when the lightning bolt going from one charge to another. So on the top left hand corner, it's an example of cloud to ground lightning. Branches of lightning cup down, and once they hit a certain point, they are met by opposite charges from the ground up. So when they meet, it creates that one big streak of lightning, also known as the return stroke. So illustrators commonly connect these branches of lightning together, but that's best to think of this as tree branches. They do overlap, they seem to reconnect, but in reality, they're all different separate branches. So when thinking about lightning as a light source, think about the incandescent light bulbs in the art building. They're in tubes, so that means they have multiple light source points, and multiple radiation points. What this means is that it covers a much larger area, and the edges on the shadows are much softer. But also remember that it is very quick, immediate, so the light is very instant. Artists like to use lightning to make flashy, epic illustrations, and on the left is an illustration which does reconnect the lightning bolts together. Like I said earlier, it's not a circuit, it's more like a tree branch. And it's also missing a key element, which is in the picture on the top right, which is a volcanic eruption, which would create this dramatic effect because of the extreme heat rising and colliding with the cold air around it, creating this immense lightning storm. Below that is Zuko from Avatar: The Last Airbender redirecting lightning, and although it does not appear to reconnect like a circuit, the lighting on Zuko it does not match the color of the lightning. So lastly, I have a few examples from Star Wars. And another example is from a video game called Skyrim. So in this, it becomes more chaotic. There's more of a ball shape. So those are two big examples that I have for lightning, and that about wraps it up. So thank you for watching.